Why does your scanner show the P0901 engine code? What does it mean? P0901 is a diagnostic trouble code for Clutch A, Actuator Control Circuit Range or Performance. The P0901 engine code for indicate your vehicle's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Transmission Control Module, TCM, which engages and disengages the clutch, is not operating within its expected programmed parameters. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty clutch actuator, damaged wiring or connectors, bad sensors or solenoids, low or unstable battery voltage, malfunctioning control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.